Holtec is the trademark and logo of Ian Bigwither, who established the maritime company in 1989 to develop a cost-effective system for the long-term repair of osmosis blistering and laminate failure in fiberglass boats. Fiberglass boats were first mass-produced in the early 1960s. Since then, approximately 6 million large boats that are permanently afloat have been sold in the USA. There are millions more around the world. They fill marinas from Seattle to San Diego, Florida to Maine, on all the lakes and rivers across the country. About 70% of these vessels have developed hull damage. This is caused when osmosis blisters develop under the gel coat. Here's how it happens. First, water migrates through polyester resins and gel coats, dissolving materials embedded in the laminate. Then even more water is attracted into the voids, diluting solutes in the blister fluid solution. Finally, accumulating fluid builds up hydrostatic pressure between the gel coat and laminate, creating a blister. If this problem is not fixed, the hull will continue to rot away, losing structural strength, seaworthiness, and value. Until recently, understanding of the cause and effect and of a solution to the problem were unknown. With special mechanical equipment, improved laminating materials and resins, infrared dryers, and specialized knowledge and experience, it is now possible to make long-term, permanent repairs to osmosis-damaged boats efficiently. This know-how has been developed by Ian Bigwither, Holtec, of San Diego. Since 1988, about 200 boats have been repaired using the Holtec system, with a success rate of 99%. The system is practical, efficient, and cost-effective. The time to peel the average 30-foot yacht is about 5 hours, compared to a time of about 60 hours using grinders or other methods. The process involves stripping off the old bottom paint, gel coat, and osmosis-damaged fiberglass. The peeling machine designed by Bigwither at Holtec does this in a most efficient way. With one pass of the cutter, material can be removed up to a depth of 5/16 of an inch. The depth of the cut is adjustable from 0 to 5/16 of an inch, preventing the removal of more hull than necessary. The removal of the correct amount of material is important to the success of the next stage, which is drying the remaining fiberglass laminate. The infrared dryer is fueled by propane gas and converts the heat generated into infrared wavelengths to provide the most efficient drying. This process of moisture removal is monitored using an electronic moisture meter that allows a competent person to record the progress, isolate potential trouble spots, and get an accurate picture of the amount of moisture in the laminate. The peeling and drying process as developed by Bigwither and used by Holtec reduces the drying time from 5 or 6 months or more to about 32 days in Southern California. Once the remaining laminate on the vessel's hull is properly dry, the rebuilding of the bottom can begin. The material removed is replaced. This is done by applying multiple coatings of special resins selected for their resistance to water permeation and other waterproof characteristics. They are applied in layers by hand application to achieve good penetration and strong adhesion between layers of glass materials and resin. After rebuilding of the fiberglass laminate is complete and the bottom is finished fair and smooth, the final coats of anti-fouling paint are applied. The vessel is returned to the water with a new bottom of modern materials. Tests indicate that the newly repaired hull will last 25 to 30 years. This 40-foot yacht owner will experience many benefits from having used the Holtec technique instead of usual boatyard repairs. Over the 7.5-year Holtec warranty period, he will have saved over $10,000 in repair costs, and he will have enjoyed an additional 2 months of use from his boat. For further information on the exciting Holtec system, please call our toll-free number 1-800-488-9639.